Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I'm Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic. Narcissistic personality disorder is a mental condition in which people have an inflated sense of their own importance. NPD is characterized by a persistent pattern of grandiosity and in fantasies of unlimited power or importance. People with NPD have permanent need of admiration or special treatment. They often face difficulties when it comes to relationships and lack empathy for others. They may be generally happy, unhappy, and disappointed. If they are not given special treatment they believe they are entitled to. People with NPD are envious of others and believe others envy them. They would also feel depressed and moody because they tend to fail when trying to reach perfection. Additionally, they have secret feelings of insecurity, shame, vulnerability, and humiliation. People with NPD have trouble dealing with criticism. One study found high rates of substance abuse 40.6%, mood 28.6%, and anxiety 40% disorders among participants with NPD. The main characteristic of NPD that contribute to these mental health risks include a higher frequency of experiencing shame, helplessness, and self-directed anger, higher admiration of self, and impulsivity. NPD is a significant predictor of making multiple suicide attempts. People with NPD may not want to believe that anything could be wrong with their behavior. Therefore, it is unlikely for them to seek professional help or treatment. If they do seek treatment, it is more likely to treat symptoms of depression, substance abuse, or other mental health problems. People with NPD may take therapy as an insult to their self-esteem. This behavior could make it difficult for them to accept and continue with treatment. During psychotherapy, people with NPD exhibit exaggerated behavior, such as exaggerated self-talk and self-aggrandization and aggrandizement. They would also expect special treatment from the therapist. People with NPD do not adhere to health recommendations by their professional and struggle with building a relationship with the therapist. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Kindly share with your loved ones for their health as well.
Alright viewers, have we finished the topic? You can give us your precious feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellows. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to show your love and support. Thank you. We'll be right back tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself, your friends and family. Bye bye.